Friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today I'm going to show you the TRON TRX cryptocurrencies live price prediction. So before starting the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more this kind of videos. Thanks for subscribing our channel. So let's get started. I'm clicking on the Tron and I'm going to show you the Tron cryptocurrencies live price predictions. So oh my god, as you are watching now, the cryptocurrencies Tron are going down. Here are the change, negative 0.78% going down with the rate of, and the high rate of TRX cryptocurrencies are here 0.06332 and now the current price of Tron is here 0.06283 and the Bitcoin 0.0001. Here are the live price prediction of TRX cryptocurrencies. Here are you watching, and at this time TRX are growing. You are seeing TRX are growing at this time, and this time in fully in the false TRX. Here this is the live price prediction of last hour. Here you can see, and the date is 22 March 2021. You are seeing here. So that is the live price prediction of TRX cryptocurrencies of March 22 to 2021. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more this kind of videos. Thank you so much.